For a dessert, it is pear cobblers. Let's begin the recipe. I have melted the butter and I'm going to pour in the melted butter into the baking dish. I'm going to arrange the pears into this baking dish. Egg. I'm beating in the egg and the milk. In a bigger bowl, I'm going to mix in all the dry ingredients, Maida, sugar, cinnamon powder, baking soda and salt. When this is mixed well, I'm going to add in egg and the milk. Now I'm going to pour in this mixture. Now this will go into a preheated oven at 180 degrees temperature to 30 to 35 minutes depending on the oven. It's baked well. Serve the warm cobbler with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Please do like, share and subscribe.